I'm going on a bite. Oh my god, fun! Oh, what do we mean? What do you mean?
And I was very excited about.
I got excited.
Driving on the sand and then
I got really not excited.
to a wonderful conclusion that we should maybe check out how
Just got like excited. Okay.
soft it is.
We do have a sleeping bag.
There.
I still feel like it's too windy on the beach.
You want to camp in here?
It'd be very cold. All right, we've been unsettled. We could not figure out if we wanted to camp at the beach or the forest, and we're in the forest because it's going to rain for the next 24 hours. We're gonna direct traffic and move in. Turn to your right a little. Yeah.
Be our standing cafe table.
Woo! Alright, I'm excited. I'm back to being excited. Life is good. This is gonna be fun.
I got really stressed out there for a second. I was like,
I know, I was like, we're having a bad time.
I'm like no.
No.
Hey.
Things are good. Wow!
We did it. We did it.
Sometimes you have to choose to like happiness, decide that it's good. Haley spilled the wine.
We have to make sure.
We don't want it to be sticky. I don't want it to be sticky.
It's all about efficiency in this camp. This is Frank. I'm bringing him home, and here we are.
Forget about signs and rules. Oh, the payment and the long, long roads. Yeah, and you're always in such a rush. With your life.
This is Hannah behind the scenes. How do you think you get this content? It's there. It's that.
Get it, but all alone. And you're always staring at your phone. You need another great relief. We all need a turning leaf.
It's time to wash my face. Come off of my eyeballs. I need a makeup wipe, but I don't have one. What did you guys do in New Zealand? Just watched what we wished we were doing.
Our little truck is so cute.
We've somehow managed to lock the keys in the truck. We're gonna find some service and call for help. Bill, our rental guy, just like remote unlocked it. We don't even know how that works, but it was sick. It was so cool. It felt like an angel moment. That just like felt so magical. Like we're in the middle of the woods in a remote location, and we just send Bill a text. All we have to do is send Bill a text, and our car just goes, "Open sesame."
See if I can like open that remotely.
I didn't even know that was a thing. Did you know that was a thing that you can do?
Nope.
Forget you. Come with me, and you'll see in a world of pure imagination.
The landlady of the building told the detective that the last known tenant
and the couple became separated. Suitcase, and you were running off to cook someone's child and put them in a box.
I think back
what you think,
to
girl?
the picnic table.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't want anything to do with these people.
That's how I feel right now.
It's raining. We're on a 5-hour drive. We have 2 hours left, and we're gonna just go make a cup of coffee in the rain because it's time. That's too cute.
Oh, she's so cute.
Wet dog.
Oh my goodness.
Hi. Hi, little baby.
Where are you going? Okay.
Oh. Hi, baby. Bye, Bertha.
Where are you going? Yeah.
Look at all their dirty butts.
You guys got dirty buttholes.
I don't know if I'm scared of dying, but I'm scared of living too fast, too slow. I'm gonna take the easy road.
Did you guys escape? Are you escaped convicts? Do you need help? Blink twice.
Us? Someone looks pissed as hell. They're running! Look at them go! Oh, hello.
What's that, dude?
So good. Whatever that seasoning is.
Sorry, what's happening?
Oh, you know?
This avocado's ripe.
It's ripe. Haley is so afraid of the camera. It's really unfortunate.
Take the avocado, cut it like this.
We're making breakfast. We're making breakfast. We're making breakfast.
I'm looking for the onion. I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker. Beyonce on mouth like liquor. Big. On the chair.
Beauty. Look at that.
She's Grace.
You're gonna make another one.
If you wanted me to, I would. Yeah, I thought I got up early and you were like up at like ass crack.
You're not busy. We're having a beach day. Very exciting. We haven't done this since high. So hazy. Hazy.
Hi, Haley.
Hi, Hazy.
Hi, Haley.
Shawazy. Okay, while we make our way to the beach, we need to talk about somebody very important.
Shout out.
We've talked about him for much of our trip. We just haven't gotten it on camera yet. We just want to talk about Finley for a second.
Finley and Judah.
Finley and Judah.
Two very, very, very special, important young men.
I've heard a lot of good things about them.
Yes.
Yes.
And shout out, we are in your homeland. We've been thinking about you. I can't wait to come back and say what's up.
I can't wait to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
You're doing great, honey.
Hey everyone. It's so pretty here. And the sand is black. I don't know why, but it is. Hannah, she's over there.
All right, we're off drive to a waterfall. And we don't really feel like stopping, so we've got the fixins for a PB&J out. I'm putting chips on your sandwich.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm ready to experience.
It's an experience.
I'm ready.
It's like, your daughter's probably a whore. Emery. Like, what? What the egg? Still, both Jane and Stuart felt that the newly arrived detectives were just as suspicious.
Haley loves goats.
I can't wait to have goats of my own. Look at these cute little. Look, when I say ba, they listen. Ba. No, see? They fucking stop, dude.
See?
Ba.
Let's work off.
You can really dance. It's like, oh, ba 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 bow, yow.
Strut. Barefoot.
She's so pretty. Pretty she is. So happy hooves. Happy hooves.
Okay, we've just got to get to Waitomo, and it's $5 New Zealand per person.
I have to supervise you. Love that.
Anyway, we are in Waitomo, and we're just staying at a little campground for the night because we need showers. We have an early morning tour, but we're staying here. It'll be nice. Her birthday's tomorrow. Happy almost birthday. Look at you, sunshine girl.
Hi.
Hi. Look at the sheep. Look at them run. God, they're cute. Oh, Haley. Did you get it? You got it, boo.
Dude, that's so... Cheers. What are we drinking?
Tequila.
Are we playing on the jungle gym?
Yes, we are. Monkey bars?
No, you both have to get on them, both of you.
Get on.
Get on.
Not even that.
Hold on.
That's scary.
Hold on.
Alright, Ruben.
Yeah.
We're done. Alright, Ruben. You're done. Ruben, you're done.
Hold on.
Is this a queen or a king?
Yeah, that's the king. I took your queen really early.
Your queen is over here.
Not me, not Hermione. You.
Not Harry. Hailey.
You're pretty good at chess, Hannah.
Okay, Haley and I went out last night to have a drink at a bar, and then today's her birthday.
We ended up out at the bar longer than planned because
This 20-year-old boy kept buying us shots, which just, I don't remember the last time I've had a shot, so we're having a rough time. Oh, there's Haley.
Okay. I got Chad grilled capsicums.
What the fuck does that mean?
Red bell peppers. Going cave diving. 30 edition. I feel like a Power Ranger.
So we can't film down there, so you're just gonna have to imagine. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll pass the message on. Do you want a birthday present?
A birthday present?
Yeah, just for you. And for you as well.
Oh, for me too?
You'll see.
It's a sock.
Gloves.
Gloves. I wouldn't wear that on your hands.
Is it?
So it's Haley and Hannah, right? Is that?
Yeah.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you. This is the team. We're going splunking. Woo!
Yeah, I'm feeling tipsy. I'm on the move. We're getting frisky. We're in the groove. To a higher destination.
Waiheke Island to Recon. Oh.
Oh.
Okay. We're on an island. No, we're not. We're on a boat to an island. It's our last 2 nights. And then we go, oh, I'm not going home. I'm going to LA with her. We're on a berry.
Waterbury.
We're on a berry. And we're going to camp. We're going horseback riding tomorrow, but we don't know where we're camping. Much like every night. So, over and out. I just realized I didn't give any update after the Waitomo caves. She turned 30. Happy birthday. Oh. We celebrated without you. Sorry, y'all.
It was really, really cool. They didn't allow us to bring cell phones or any sort of
Filming.
anything in there, really.
And then we stayed at a nice tent.
Beautiful, large tent.
And now we're going to the island. Lollipops and Pinot Gris.
Oh, okay. What do you think his name is?
Zane.
That's a really good guess. Bye, Zane.
Told you. We are burnt out. We did not think we were gonna find a spot to camp, but we somehow found a beach. We don't know actually if we're allowed to camp here, but we're doing it anyway. Okay. Feedback.
It's terrible.
Feet up. It landed so close. This is 30. Would you like me to unlock it for you?
Yeah. Keith?
Yes.
Did you laugh at it or did he laugh at it?
All right, it's our last day. We've woken up, we've eaten food, we've gotten coffee, and now we're doing our last real activity. We're going horseback riding. Yeah. Cool. Sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. So friendly. Dorado. Nice. Stop. The last
Good,
thing.
you've got, you see your feet there. Good, just want to keep your heels a little.
Look at you. Okay. Yeah, come here. Come say hi. Hi, beauty. Hello, buddy. It has been a pleasure. Thank you. Hi. Hello. Hello. I don't think I've ever taken a selfie with a horse.
Did it work all right?
Hi.
Can we airdrop photos?
Oh, we love that, yeah. Yeah, girl. This is all I've wanted this whole trip.
I did.
I love that. I love that. I love that. This is happening way too fast.
And I was like,
Okay.
good morning.
Good morning. Hi, brothers. Oh my god, we're leaving. It's time. We can catch our ferry. Goodbye, camp spot. Goodbye, New Zealand. Weird. It's over. Waiheke Island. Ta-ta. Bye.